List of tools: notched spreader, grouting spreader, tape measure, tile adhesive, rubber mallet, tile cutter. Step 1. Spread adhesive with a notched spreader. Step 2. Press the first tile into place. Use a rubber mallet to secure it into place. Step 3. Put the tile spaces in the corners of the tile to set the spacing between the next tiles. Step 4. Repeat the process for the rest of the tiles. Note: you can cut the tiles with a tile cutter to fill the space near corners. Step 5. Once the adhesive is dry, you can remove the spaces. Step 6. Fill the gaps with grouting using a grouting spreader. Clean the tiles with water and sponge.